Hello, welcome to Simply Natural, living in harmony with nature and making use of nature's gifts.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Simply Natural. In this video, we're going to talk about something that many of us struggle with. Waking up early without an alarm clock. I'll be sharing some tips and tricks that will help you wake up naturally without an alarm clock. So let's get started. Tip number 1. Create a consistent sleep schedule. This is very essential. Your body loves routines, and when you stick to a consistent sleep schedule, your body will naturally wake up at the same time every day. So try to go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, even on weekends. Over time, you'll train your body to wake up naturally without an alarm clock. Tip number 2. Expose yourself to natural light. Our bodies are wired to wake up with the sunrise and sleep with the sunset. Therefore, exposing yourself to natural light can help regulate your body's natural clock. As soon as you wake up, open your curtains or go for a walk outside. The natural light will help you wake up and set your body's natural clock for the day. Tip number 3. Get enough sleep. Getting enough sleep is crucial for waking up early. If you don't get enough sleep, you'll find it difficult to wake up early. Most adults need between 7 to 9 hours sleep per night, so make sure you're getting enough sleep to wake up feeling rested and refreshed. Tip number 4. Avoid stimulants before bedtime. Avoiding stimulants such as caffeine, nicotine, or alcohol before bedtime is essential. Stimulants can make it difficult for your body to fall asleep, which can lead to a restless night's sleep. Instead, try to wind down with calming activities such as reading, meditating, or other forms of relaxation before bedtime. Tip number 5. Limit your exposure to blue light. Blue light from electronic devices such as smartphones, laptops, and TVs can interfere with your body's natural clock. It is best to avoid using electronic devices at least an hour before bedtime to help you fall asleep more easily and wake up naturally. Tip number 6. Establish a relaxing bedtime routine. This can help you fall asleep more easily and wake up naturally. Some activities that can help you relax before bedtime include taking a warm bath, reading a book, or listening to calm music. Tip number 7. Practice mindful breathing. This can help you relax and fall asleep more easily. Before you go to bed, take a few minutes to practice deep breathing exercises, focusing on your breath and letting go of any tension in your body. So there you have it, tips to help you wake up early without an alarm clock. Remember, it's important to be patient with yourself and give your body time to adjust to a new routine. With consistency and commitment, you can wake up early feeling refreshed and energized. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. This is simply natural. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload new videos. Your support means the world to me, and it keeps me motivated to create more. Please consider supporting the channel through Patreon or buy me a coffee. Links are in the description below. You can follow me on Facebook as Simply Natural or Instagram as My Simply Natural. Links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.